Meet Bob. He has excellent hearing, which we're going to test today. So, are you ready? Alright, let's start by testing noise at 110 dB. For this, Bob will find himself at a concert of a famous rock band. At first, Bob will even enjoy it. But after just 3 hours, his blood pressure and breathing rate will increase. Bob will get dizzy and start having balance problems. If this lasts for more than 24 hours, he could even die. Let's move on. Let's raise the volume level to 140 dB. For this, Bob needs to be present at a rocket launch. Such noise could rupture his eardrums and even his lungs. And finally, 300 dB. For that, you would need to be at the epicenter of a meteorite impact. It is believed that the famous Tunguska meteorite fell with exactly this level of loudness. But Bob doesn't need to worry about that. No, not because such meteorites fall only once every 100,000 years, but because Bob won't be around long before the meteorite even hits the Earth. Goodbye, Bob. The new year is coming soon, and you can give Bob a pleasant surprise. Write in the comments what crazy gifts you would like to give him, and Bob will unbox the coolest ones right in the video.